Welcome to GreenPak. Today's topic is about white PA film. White PA film is widely used in food and daily packaging applications. So how do we ensure such stable performance across different applications? Let's take a closer look at the production process. High-quality film starts with carefully selected raw materials. Premium PA and PA resins together with high-quality white master batch are used to ensure consistent color, stable performance, and excellent processing. The raw materials are melted and formed into a stable film bubble. A stable bubble is the key to achieving uniform thickness, excellent mechanical strength, and reliable barrier performance. The finished film is automatically wound into rolls with a smooth surface and clean edges. Each roll is carefully monitored to maintain consistent quality. After production, every film roll is stored for 24 hours to stabilize and release internal tension before the next process. Then, the rolls are transferred to slitting and rewinding to get precise widths, accurate roll lengths, and neat finished rolls. Each roll is carefully packed to protect the film during storage and transportation. From premium raw materials to finished rolls, every step is carefully controlled to deliver reliable and consistent quality. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us.